How to fix air connection reset error in Google Chrome. Here are some tips that would help you fix air connection reset error in Google Chrome browser. 1. Reboot your router, if any. 2. Ensure your internet connection works. If not, Google some tips re web connection not working issue. 3. Disable any active proxy server. 4. Reset the WinSock catalog by running these commands as admin: netshare winsock reset netshare int IP reset IP protocol configuration / release IP protocol configuration / renew IP protocol configuration / flushins 5. Clear your Chrome cache. Six. Disable antivirus and firewall and run your Chrome in Windows Clean Boot. For Mac OS users, refer